Welcome to this beginner guide to HubSpot CRM. Whether you're a small business owner, a sales rep, a marketer, HubSpot's free CRM helps you organize contacts, track deals, and automate tasks without the complexity. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up and use HubSpot CRM like a pro. HubSpot CRM is free, 100% free. There's no credit card required. If you need more features, you can then upgrade to their pro version, which I believe gives more for less. HubSpot is user-friendly. That centralizes your contacts, companies, deals in one place. Unlike clunky CRMs, it integrates seamlessly with Gmail, Outlook, and even marketing tools. Perfect for startups and scaling teams. Contacts, companies, deals, tasks, tabs, integrations with Gmail, Outlook, etc. Let me share my screen to show you a basic roundup of HubSpot. If you like it so far, don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up. I believe you like it. And guess what? It's free. More so, if you do that, you have done me a favor. It means my videos are going to be recommended to quite a lot of people, thereby motivating me to doing these videos. My goal is to receive as much subscribers as possible, and I'm definitely thankful that you are one of the subscribers. Subscribing to this channel will be of much benefit, I believe, to some people. Those who want marketing information, things to do with current AI, how to market with the AI, how to develop your own websites, how to do SEO, digital marketing, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, and quite a lot more. So I do believe that I'm sharing value to the world, and in return, all I want is your subscription and your like and your follow if you are watching on Facebook. Let me share my screen to show you inside HubSpot. To open your account, all what you need to do is to click crazyclicks.co.za/HubSpot. Then you get this screen. Then you click get started for free. You can see that there is no credit card required. These are all the companies that are using HubSpot CRM: eBay, DoorDash, Reddit, TripAdvisor, Zapier, and many more. You can't be left out. HubSpot is a powerful platform, and I believe you will enjoy it. So inside HubSpot, you will see something like this. It depends with how customizations are different depending on what you did when you opened your account. Let me turn on to our sponsor for today. The sponsor for today is YouPerfect. They are selling quite amazing screens and monitors. Don't hesitate to grab yours, and more so if you use link in description, you get a very favorable discount which doesn't add to your own costs. Please do check them. They have amazing monitors. You can get your marketing guide. You can connect your Google Meet. You can connect your Google Calendar. You can connect your Gmail. Let's just see how we can connect our Gmail, which means you have to install an app and then you connect your Gmail, meaning all your emails will be synced in within HubSpot, which is quite powerful. You can integrate it with WordPress, you can integrate it with Zoom, you can integrate it with the Facebook Messenger, with LinkedIn, with all you think of, all in all, for them, so that you sync in your contacts into HubSpot. Isn't that beautiful? So what you have here, firstly, obviously your contacts. These can be synced in automatically, or you can input them manually. But automatically from your lead gen campaigns, companies, obviously, these you create after you create your contacts. Deals, these are different stages where you are doing your business, and you can label deals which have been done, deals which are about to be done, and deals that you would expect. Tickets, obviously the normal ticketing system of solving problems and attending to clients. Lists, these are emailing lists where you can create different email segments for people. Maybe you might target people who want a specific perfume. You might target people who want a specific service on your emailing campaigns. Your inbox is definitely your inbox as it means. Your calls, you can call clients within HubSpot. This helps really if you have a big team. You can monitor how many calls did they make through their reporting system, and also for your own sake to see how many people did you contact. Was your campaign rigorous as you would want? There are so many things which I can't finish. You can also put all your marketing campaigns in one place: your Google ads, your Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, and many more. This will enable you to monitor all the campaigns in one place, and on your lead gen campaigns, all contacts are automatically synced in within HubSpot. So many things you can do: e-commerce, you can do invoices, you can send payment links, you can send payments, you can do quotes. It's almost everything in one place. You can also learn through HubSpot. They can teach you marketing, you can automate tasks, you can do data mining, you can do a lot more things. The best thing is that you can also do reporting on different things, be it your marketing campaigns, be it your email campaigns. Emailing, it allows you to view how many emails have been opened, who opened, the click-through rate, open-through rate, and many other things. I can't do everything, obviously, in one video. I will do a video of different aspects of HubSpot. So for today, I think I've done justice, just introducing you to HubSpot. This is my hope that you like it so far, and I do believe you've subscribed already, or followed already, or pressed that thumbs up. If you have any specific question, don't hesitate to write in the comments, and I would appreciate if you write HubSpot. I will definitely follow up with you and give you something, one of my biggest secrets, marketing secrets for free, my main marketing ebook. So I would expect you to subscribe, give me a thumbs up. If you're watching on Facebook, please do follow our page.